How to go viral on YouTube, 10 super tricks you must know. Hey YouTubers! Want to go viral? Here are 10 super tricks you must know to grow fast and get tons of views. Let's get started. Trick 1. Follow trends early. Create videos on trending topics quickly. Jumping on trends fast helps you get noticed. Trick 2. Catchy thumbnails. Make your thumbnail stand out. Use bold images and text to grab attention. Trick 3. Attention-grabbing titles. Use titles that create curiosity. The more interesting the title, the more clicks you will get. Trick 4. Use YouTube Shorts. Post YouTube Shorts regularly. These short videos can go viral fast. Trick 5. Keep videos fast-paced. Don't waste time. Keep your videos quick and engaging. Viewers love fast-paced content. Trick 6. Emotional content is key. Create videos that spark emotion, funny, heartwarming, or surprising. Emotional content gets shared more. Trick 7. Be consistent. Post consistently. Whether it's weekly or daily, stay on schedule to keep your audience engaged. Trick 8. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and ask viewers to like and subscribe. Engaging builds a loyal community. Trick 9. Share on social media. Promote your videos on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter to get more views. Trick 10. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Their fans can become your fans too. That's it, 10 tricks to help you go viral on YouTube. Try them out and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.